On the other hand, the flood situation in Assam continues to hog global limelight. The situation in Assam has not gone unnoticed by the Britain's royal family, with Duke and Duchess of Cambridge, Prince William and Kate Middleton, expressing concern over the flood situation in Kaziranga National Park, where the royal couple had paid a visit in 2016. More on this report. More than 100 animals, including 10 one-horned rhinoceros, have died due to massive flooding at the famed Kaziranga Game Reserve, prompting British Royal Prince William and his wife, Kate Middleton, expressing concern in a communication to park authorities. Since the first week of June, park authorities are having no respite, with wave after wave of floods that have wreaked havoc inside the Kaziranga National Park and Tiger Reserve. Today also, a rhino died of drowning in a flooded river in the park's vicinity, taking the rhino toll up to 10. The Duke and Duchess of Cambridge, Prince William and his wife Kate Middleton, in a communication to Park Director P. Shivakumar, said, "The news of animals dying in Kaziranga due to flooding is very upsetting." And I quote, "Catherine and I were heartbroken to hear about the appalling devastation to Kaziranga National Park and its precious wildlife caused by the very heavy monsoon flooding," unquote. The British royal couple said in their communication routed through the British High Commission in India. And I quote, "We have the happiest memories of our visit to Kaziranga in April 2016 and are shocked by what has happened. The deaths of so many animals, including one-horned rhino, are deeply upsetting," they said. And I quote, "We know from our visit how dedicated all the staff in Kaziranga are in caring for the park's wildlife and can only begin to imagine what a difficult time this must be. Catherine and I greatly admire all the work that you and the rangers at Kaziranga are doing to risk your own safety, rescue animals and contain the damage," unquote, they said. More than 100 animals have perished in the 3 waves of floods that has hit Kaziranga, including the 10 rhinos and nearly 100 hawk deer. More than 100 of 223 security camps inside the sprawling park are still submerged, making day-to-day work of our 1,600 guards really challenging. Floods in Assam has so far taken a toll of 96 human lives, with 26 others dying in mudslides. Nearly 3 million people have been affected, with 50,000 still living in government-run relief camps. Bureau Report, Northeast Live.